In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Lucidchart diagram. If you've been working on a project in Lucidchart and now it's time to get that diagram into a shareable, presentable format, you're in the right place. Let's get started with the process, and remember, it's straightforward once you know where to click. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate over to Lucid's website. You can do this by typing lucid.so into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the home page, look around and find the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. After clicking Log In, you'll be taken to a sign-in page. Here you have several options for logging in. For simplicity and convenience, select Sign Up with Google. If you've already set up Lucidchart with your Google account, this will be the quickest way. Click on that option and you may have to follow prompts to authenticate using your Google credentials. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard displaying any recent diagrams you've been working on. From here, the next step is to open the specific diagram you want to download. Look for it in your list of documents. Once you find it, click on it, and it should open up for you. With your diagram in view, let's navigate to the top menu where you'll see various options. You're looking for the File button. Click it to reveal more options. In this example, we will download the diagram as a PDF, which is generally a universal and widely acceptable format for sharing documents. Under the Export section, select PDF. Once you're there, you might notice options like Crop to Content. This feature lets you adjust the download to include only the core parts of your diagram without unnecessary whitespace. It's helpful to make your PDF look more polished and centered, especially if you're planning to include it in a report or presentation. After selecting Crop to Content to tailor how your diagram will appear, move forward and click on Download. This may prompt a quick confirmation from your browser before it processes the download, so ensure you keep an eye out for any dialog boxes that pop up. Once downloaded, you can find your file in your browser's designated download location, generally in your computer's Downloads folder. And there you have it. You're now ready to use your diagram outside of Lucidchart. Whether you're sending it to a colleague, presenting it in a meeting, or simply